Today is going to be my Chanel unboxing, and it's one of my Christmas gifts. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna do a Chanel unboxing. I'm planning to do several videos what I got for Christmas. Few pieces. That major one as this Chanel unboxing. It's obviously a handbag. I'm gonna make a separate video. Then I'm gonna have jewelry pieces that I'm gonna have separate video, and then I'm gonna do the video everything that I got for Christmas, because some of the things I'm not sure what I'm gonna get yet. It's most likely members of my family. Maybe then I'm gonna do some kind of cut in, you know, the pieces, and most likely it's not going to be something very expensive. It's just a thought that counts. But some of the pieces I purchased before actual Christmas, and I did purchase myself, because that's what you actually account for the expenses of the year, and you talk with your husband and maybe other members of the family that it should be okay to get those pieces. And obviously everybody's situation is different. Maybe in your specific case you truly get that kind of surprise that, you know, you're checking under the tree and you get, I don't know, Cartier diamond bracelet. But in many, like in reality of the life, we always have to kind of budget our finances. Goodness, turn into some kind of lecture. Anyway guys, what I'm trying to say, I'm not sure in what order my videos are going to be. I would love to say Merry Christmas to you, to your family, to your loved ones, to everybody around you. Wishing you the most warmest, kindest Christmas of all years. So let's start with unboxing. This is Chanel unboxing. Maybe I should smile. All right, so most likely I'm gonna speed up this process. So there is obviously the care booklet. I'm just gonna leave it here. There is also receipt, and the price obviously for this piece right now absolutely astronomical. Let me maybe smile again with this box. So let's start doing unboxing. I'm so excited for this purchase. And this piece I actually thought deeply of purchasing, and the reason why I'm kind of pretty much sure that I want to have this piece again, because I previously had this, or I still have this handbag. Okay guys, let's just do unboxing. I'm gonna speed up. I'm trying to be really careful. Ripping those. There you go guys. There is another care booklet over here. All right, so it's good. I actually got two care booklets, I guess by accident. Let me just put everything back inside. And there you go guys. Ta-da! So let me show you a little bit closer. It's actually quite nice packaging. It's not often I get packaging like that from my local boutique. So there you go guys. Here is the handbag, and this is Chanel Square Mini Black Lambskin with champagne gold hardware. Now also they have this kind of little thingies, which is kind of preventing the chain rubbing, which should be, I think, long time ago. And you know, the new pieces, they are with the actual, what do you call that, ID tag. and that's how it looks like. Let me see where it's made, because quite often nowadays Chanel handbags, they are not made in France, they're often made in Italy. Yes, and this one is made in Italy as well. There you go, guys. Really pretty. And I have exactly the same handbag which I purchased, believe it or not, in year 2018, I believe 2018, and it's also black with silver hardware. Let me just show you this handbag, and I just wanna even check, are they a bit different or not? And I almost feel that this one is slightly more structured comparing to this one. I feel like this one is a bit softer, just based on the touch. You know what I mean? When I'm touching it, yeah, it feels definitely softer, and even the leather feels different. See, I almost feel like this one even looks a bit smaller. I don't know, or it's my imagination. So this is from 2018, and this is obviously 2024. I feel like this one even lighter. I feel like this one is a little bit heavier. Let me see if I have something inside. Oh, there is a chain inside, so obviously it feels heavier, because the other one is chain outside. Yeah, now they pretty much feel identical, but to be honest, guys, yeah, I mean, like they're identical. I don't see any difference except for this one with the silver and this one with the champagne gold hardware. You will ask me, why did I choose, again, absolutely identical handbag? First and most, it's not absolutely identical. It definitely has champagne gold hardware, but even you see in the structure, you see how this one is more wider, puffier. This one is definitely kind of more squarish. There is a difference, guys. There is an absolute difference. I feel like this one is, maybe because I haven't used it yet, it's kind of more squished, because this one I definitely already used plenty, but still I feel like this one is heavier comparing to this one. I don't know, maybe it's my imagination. By the way, let me know if you purchased recently Chanel minis and you have Chanel minis that 5 years plus older. Do you feel the difference? I don't know, let me check the stitching and everything, because when I got my dark beige Chanel, I checked stitches and everything. This one, let me check the stitches. No, it's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. I cannot say anything negative about the handbag. The only difference, I would say, I can feel that the lambskin is a little bit less shiny comparing to this one, but then already I did some, like, you know, buffing with the glove quite often, and I apply some lotion on this bag. But otherwise, what do you think? Is it silly of me to buy absolutely identical handbag? But again, my daughter, she wants this handbag to have, so I thought, like, and she loves with the silver, so I thought I'm gonna get myself with the gold hardware. So this is my new cutie. Let me know what you think of this beauty. I think it's definitely gorgeous, and it's absolutely perfect piece for any occasion, even for the casual wear or going somewhere for the dinner party. So this is one of my Christmas gifts. Stay tuned for more unboxing of my Christmas gifts. Let me know what you got for your Christmas in the comments. Thank you very much, guys, for being here with me. Don't forget to love, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one.